Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you 20 profitable YouTube niches that you need to start in 2025. So if you are a student, you are planning to create a YouTube channel for your passive income or starting affiliate or starting any businesses, so this video for you. Also, if you are a housewife or business owner and if you want to make a side hustle, also this video for you. So let's get started. So before jumping to the video, if you are first time watching my YouTube channel, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos how you can make money online, different AI tools, and how you can start your YouTube channel. So if you are interested in these niches, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and if you have any queries about money making, freelancing, so please comment below. I am really happy to support you guys. So why you should start a YouTube channel and why you should choose the niches. So first of all, YouTube is the second largest search engine. We all know that, and that's why people are always searching different kind of problems. They want a solution, and it depends on the person and it depends on the problem. So maybe you are a tech lover and you want to find a best portable microphone. So that's why always you will searching the best microphone on the USA or any country. Okay, and you want to make money on online or freelancing, and that's why you are looking for some tutorials. So every person has different problems and different solution. So before starting any YouTube channel, you must select your categories or niches. So that's mean you can start your making money channel or any DIY craft or anything like gardening or blogging, different kind of niches over there. But the most profitable niches, you have to consider this because in the end of the day, you want make money. Okay, so this is my website guys, and in this website you got a article 20 most profitable YouTube niches to start in 2025 in-depth article. Okay, so let's open this article. I will put this link into the video description, so don't worry at all. Top 20 profitable YouTube niches. Let's dive in top niches. Okay, the first of all is personal finance and wealth building. So why? Because the high CPM. You will see the CPM rate is 12 to 40 CPM. It's not 40, maybe sometimes it would be 80, 50, $60. Okay, so for example, check out the Graham Stephen YouTube channel. So click on that. You will find the Graham Stephen, one of the most highest earners in this planet, like under the category of personal finance and wealth building. So I'm a really big fan of Graham Stephen. So you can check it out, his video. You can take as a example and just find it out what kind of videos he makes. Okay, so you will see the other YouTube channel as well. And this is the number one highest paying niches because of advertisers. They want to really invest money on this kind of stuffs. Okay, and the second one is technology gadgets. So if you are a Gen Z or millennial, maybe you are a tech lover. Okay, I'm also. So Marque Brownlee, the short form is MKBHD, is known as his high tech depth. So those who are tech lover, so you can create like tech reviews. So you can follow them, and also you can add your style. Okay, so why this is number two? Because of the tech brands are really willing to pay the highest money. Okay, and number three is health and fitness. CPM rate is $5 to 20 CPM, and example is Bogilets. And the fourth is educational content. So this is really important, and this is really easy that I think, because as I'm making different kind of educational channel, if you are a student, so you can create different kind of educational content like different kind of science or history. So whatever your skill, whatever you know very well and a specialty, so you can create videos on that topic and you can earn money. And the fifth number is beauty and makeup, and this is the most popular for female. So you can create skincare routines, makeup tutorials, product review, and this is really highly popular. Okay, and the such example was Nikki tutorials, attract million viewers. And the sixth number is gaming. Number is gaming, and RPM CPM it be between 2 to 12. Okay, and the example is PewDiePie. And the number 7 is food and cooking. 8 travel adventure, 9 is DIY crafts, Okay, motivational self-improvement 10, parenting and family, which is really good for a single mom or any mom, that you can create different kind of parenting videos. Science and education, it's education. Fashion and style, so that's mean you can discuss trends, offer styling, showcase clothing hauls. Okay, real estate, it's also financial, but it's a different categories. Real estate channel discuss topic house flipping, investment, property management. Okay, all right. And the 15 is cars and automobiles, content like car reviews and modification. And the Asmer 17 is books reviews and literacy analysis. Photography, videography, pet care and animal training, and minimalism and simply living. So I think those who are watching still now this video, so you will find out your interest, and definitely you can pick any one of them. And I think most of the people, those we are spend our time internet like Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. So these 20 niches, they belong like anyone. Education, book review, asthma card, whatever it is, just focus this 20 niches, and you can choose, and just comment below which one you want to start. That's mean then if you have any particular question, so you can ask me, so I will try my best to support you. That's mean how we can grow your financial YouTube channel, how we can grow your technology channel. Okay, what kind of tools or gears do you need fast, and different kind of stuffs, or any technical issues that you already faced in the YouTube dashboard, so you can write down. So I'm really happy to support you guys. So that's it. So guys, if you found this video is helpful, so comment below, and I will come back with the next tutorial. So have a good day.